Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well and also keeping safe. Today I am going to show you guys how to make this delicious creamy chicken pesto pasta. Now this recipe is perfect for a weeknight if you have a busy schedule and you don't want to spend more than an hour in the kitchen, just want to whip up something quick for the family. Then look no further, because this pasta recipe will be for you. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my diced chicken breast. You can certainly use boneless chicken thighs. I also have finely chopped chilies, chopped onions, tagliatelle pasta, grated Parmesan cheese, chopped garlic, double cream, olive oil, Badia complete seasoning, adobo seasoning, black pepper, white pepper, garlic salt, onion salt, Cajun seasoning, chicken seasoning, pesto, and smoked paprika. As always, all the ingredients, including measurement, will be in the description box below. I'm going to start by seasoning my chicken breast, and I'll set this aside to marinate for 5 minutes. As the chicken is marinating, I'm going to get started on making a pasta. I've added water to a pot and I'm just seasoning the water with salt. I'm going to bring this to a boil. As the water has come to a boil, I'm just adding my tagliatelle and I'll cook this as per the cooking instructions on the packaging. You can certainly use any pasta of your choice. As the pasta is cooking, time to fry the chicken breast. To a wok or pan, add olive oil and allow the oil to come to heat. As the oil has come to heat, I'm going to add my chicken breast and I will cook until golden for 2 to 3 minutes on each side on low to medium heat. And as you can see, the chicken is nice and golden on both sides. I'm just going to remove and I'll set this aside for later use. To the rest of the oil, I'm going to add my onions and garlic and I will fry this until fragrant and translucent. I'm now going to add my chilies and I'll simmer this for 2 minutes on low to medium heat. If you don't like chilies, feel free to omit the chilies from this recipe. I am now going to add double cream and I'll mix everything together. If you don't have double cream and you have single cream, you can certainly use that. However, once you've added a single cream, the pesto and your seasonings, you just have to allow the sauce to simmer until it thickens before you add your pasta. Next, I'm going to add my pesto paste and I'll continue mixing everything together on low to medium heat. I am now going to season my sauce with smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, chicken seasoning, black pepper and white pepper. Next, I will mix everything together. I am now going to add my grated Parmesan cheese and I'll mix everything together. And guys, the sauce smells insane. It smells incredible. Just look at this beauty. It is creamy, it is thick, and it smells amazing. And the tagliatelle is ready. I am going to remove it directly from the water into my sauce, and the reason why I do this is because I want some of the water in the sauce. This is just to ensure that the pasta is not too dry. Next, I will mix everything together well. I'm just mixing everything together well to ensure that the pasta is nicely covered and coated in the creamy sauce. I am now going to add half of the cooked chicken inside and I'll mix everything together. The remaining half, once I have dished out my pasta, I will add the remaining on top, and I'll also sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top just to enjoy. Guys, my kitchen smells amazing and this just smells incredible. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to tuck in. And guys, the creamy chicken pesto pasta is ready. My mouth is already excited. I'm just adding some Parmesan cheese on top and I'm ready to devour this beauty. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell which will notify you whenever I post a new video. Enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye.